Okay, so now we're going to do some parallel turning. That's going to reduce the width of this bar to 18 millimeters. This at the moment is reading at just under 20. See that? Just not quite on 20 there. So we need to take that down to 18. We're going to use automatic feed for that. Automatic feed control is here. Okay, so we start the machine, green button. We'll bring this into alignment. But so that we're not taking off too much material. And then we're going to engage the automatic feed. And that will start to drive that tool into the work, and it will start cutting just about now, I would hope. But that's not really taking a lot off at all, so let's not worry. We can go a little bit further than that. So we'll take this to 1 degradation, so from 2.4 to 2.6. It's cutting, but it's very slight. But that's no problem, we can run with that. We'll cut to about here. And then we'll wind it back and we'll run it through again. It would be ideal if we could support this end with the live centre, but we can't physically get the centre on it. So we'll have to do this parallel turning in 2 halves. But because we've got a taper in between the shoulder and the handle grips, so I just push this button down, or this lever, push this down, that stops the machine. Now I can wind this handle to bring the tool back. I'm going to step this from 2.6 to 2.8, engage the drive. And then we'll just have a look and see. I've set this again to 18 millimeters. Hopefully you can see that okay. We'll try that on there. So it's still slightly big, which is what you'd hope. So that is 19.6. See how the 6 is real close. So we've taken 0.5 millimeter off. Okay, let's just have another quick check and see where we're at. Don't think we're quite there yet, but we'll be close. So 18.8 on that one at the moment, so we need to take 0.8 off. Let's see what effect that had. So that's now reading 18.6. And if I can show you here on this scale, the scale is, you can see in 0.2 of millimeter here. So if we to take it to here to 4.2, that should reduce that from 18.6 to 18.4. Obviously we've done quite a lot of cutting now. We don't want to let that tool grind into that blue line. We will be cutting it from the other side. So if there was ever a time to stop this machine slightly earlier than that blue line, it's about now really. And then you don't take anything extra off that part. Now this is of course where it doesn't work. So this is what I said should be 18.4. Let's have a look and see what we've got. So 18. I think that pretty much is right. 18.4. You can see the way the 4 lines up really well with the scale above. And that's what we're looking for. So that's 18.4. So we've got 2 more passes to get it to 18.2 and then to get it to 18. And that'll be 18 then dead on that. Cool. Okay, I slowed the speed down slightly on that last cut, so the finish is slightly better than we were getting up to that point. And if I just show you that, there you are. Hopefully you can see that's 18mm there, finished. So what we're going to do now is turn this round, and then we can machine it from the other side to get the whole bar 18mm diameter. But you've already seen how to do this part. It's exactly the same process as that. What I'll do instead is I'll cut the taper on this, which is the other process that you need.